Sign language is just like empty canvas. Every sign is like a brush stroke. Every facial expressions is just like add color. Every movement is just like you bring meaning to life. Hello, my name is Jones. My sign name LY. I am an American Sign Language teacher. Whether you are complete beginner or looking to improve your skills, I'm here to guide you. In my class, you learn vocabulary, facial expressions, and natural conversation. Come together. We learn sign language. We'll turn that empty canvas into a beautiful masterpiece. I will help you. Book a lesson to me. See you in my class.